Hey techies, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into two essential concepts in Java: type promotion and casting. These are crucial for handling different data types and their conversion, ensuring your code runs smoothly without unexpected error. So let's get started. First, let's talk about type promotion, also known as implicit type conversion. This happens automatically when a smaller data type is converted to a larger type during arithmetic operations. Why is this important? It helps avoid data loss and keeps our calculations precise. Now let's get into the rules of type promotion. When using expressions like byte, short, and character values are promoted to int, then if one operand is a long, float, or double, the entire expression is promoted to long, float, or double, respectively. Let's see this in action with an example. So here I am, let me increase in the size. Yeah. So here I am assigning a byte named A with the value 10 and then a byte named B with value 20 in it. Then I'm assigning a result variable in the data type int, and I am adding up A and B, which are in the data type of byte. It's like byte plus byte is promoted to int. Um, Let me comment these and run it for you. After running, it is gonna give us the value 30. There you go. Now let's look into this. Um, int C, okay, and then long D, and the result is gonna be a long, where we are actually adding up int and a long together. Int plus long is promoted to a long. Moving on with float and double. Float E as 3.5 and double as 2.7, then double named result 3, that is, we are summing up E and F, and that is float plus double is promoted to a double itself. Now let me run it. As you can see, a result byte to int is converted, int to long, and a float to double as being converted. See how Java promotes the smaller data types to larger ones to maintain accuracy. Pretty neat, isn't it? Next, let's look into casting. Yes, which is the explicit conversion from one data type to another. This is crucial when converting a larger type to a smaller type, or when you need to enforce the type for a particular variable. Types of casting. There are actually two types of casting. One is widening casting. This is done, automatically. This converts a smaller type to a larger type size, like int to long. It happens automatically. That is, the widening casting. And moving to narrowing casting. This converts larger type to a smaller size, like double to int, and this need to be done manually. These are the two types. Now let's look into the example of widening casting first. I'm commenting the rest. Yes, as you can see, I have assigned a int A with 100 and a long B. Here I'm assigning the A value to B. The int to long is being converted, and float C, which receives the value of B, that is long. So long to float is being converted here. I'll just run it for you. Yes, widening casting, int to long, long to float. Here I have not, explicitly assigning anything here. While assigning, I'm not doing anything manually. So moving on to narrowing casting. As you can see, there's a double named X and a long named Y here. When I wanted to convert a double to long, that is, I'm going to narrow the casting. Okay, so I am typing in a long here so that my double is converted to long. And when it comes to, long to int, I'm going to do the same. A long y is converted to a int y here. Okay, this is how the narrowing casting is done. Let me run this as well. Widening casting is here and narrowing casting is here. There you go. And then moving on with casting with wrapper class. So if you don't know what wrapper class is, I have created a tutorial for it. You can check out this in the same playlist. The link is in the description. So I'm assigning a wrapper class named double to a variable named wrapper double, and a value is being assigned here. And then moving on, integer value, which I've named as int value. Now converting a wrapper class from double to int. This can be done with the inbuilt function of int value of, or else float value of. You are here converting a double to int. You just call in the variable and then wrapper class variable, and then call off the int value of. And if you wanted to convert a double to float, you just call in float value of. Moving on with the printing statement. There you have it. Widening casting is here, narrowing casting is here, and wrapper casting is here. Double to int and double to float. There you go. And that's a wrap. Today we have covered the fundamental concepts of type promotion and casting in Java. These concepts are essential for handling data types and ensuring the accuracy of your operation. If you found this video helpful, give it up a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out an update. And if you want to try out the code yourself, I have included the GitHub link in the description below. Happy coding!